Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with Techwood Solutions, and we're back at where it all started. So this is the first house that I bought at 20 years old. So we're gonna be doing a little tour showing you guys where it all started. I hope that you guys enjoy. What's up, guys? Welcome to my crib. I actually don't live here anymore, but we still have 3 members that are part of our Techwood team that still do. So as soon as you guys walk in comparison to the other house, so this one is a little bit under 1,600 square feet in comparison to the house that I currently live in that's a little bit under 6,000. So as soon as you walk in, I think that this is like the perfect size house when it comes down to, like, I was going to ASU, I had 2 roommates, and it was just a lot of fun, a lot of great memories, and it was all made here. So on the left-hand side, this is where you have the bathroom. This is the guest bathroom, and trust me, it looks a lot better now than it did. It has a little bit of a crazy design. This is how I bought it, and I think I was able to add this, and then we just got the toilet cleaned for the guys. So we wanted to make sure that we cleaned it before we did this little house tour. So nothing too crazy going on there. Going into the living room, it looks much different in comparison to what it looked like when I first lived here. It looks so much cleaner here. This is really where I spent a majority of my time. If you guys do remember, because you're part of One Plan Profit, if you guys have ever watched any of my earlier videos, this is where it was all filmed, recorded. I had my trading station here, I had my dual monitors, I had my iMac here, and I had a desk that I created out of plywood that I had like kind of like a freestanding. I thought it looked super cool. There's another part that went on over here. The house is like more of a brownish. It's much more of a modern design now, and the guys have it looking a lot better. But also, this is where everything was originally filmed, and just so many great memories hanging out with the guys here. And if you guys do remember, I previously owned the house right next door. So just imagine living with your best friends, your business partners, and on top of that, you guys are neighbors as well, right? So had a lot of fun here, especially in this neighborhood. Moving on over to the kitchen. Again, we're guys, so we don't have like a dining room. We, at least in my opinion, this is how it was kind of set up when I lived here as well. We like the open space since the house isn't too big. We like the open space. I don't think these guys understand that it's no longer Christmas, but hey, they have a lot. They have kind of better decorations than we did. We had a bunch of old picture frames here. They have a much cleaner look, actually. If I'm not mistaken, I took them to a local furniture place, and we picked out some decorations, and that's why we have it looking like this now. So moving on over to the kitchen. I actually just noticed, whiskey boys, right? I guess we're Amsterdam boys. But this is pretty much the kitchen. Again, nothing special. It has the little island. Quick little fact about when I purchased this house. I remember that I had to get this kitchen, up to par when it came down to getting the house appraised. And one of the things that we did is this house was a foreclosure and it was damaged. So when I originally bought the house, the previous owner, broke off a piece of this granite. So instead of buying a whole new piece of granite, I was so cheap, or so frugal, whatever you want to say, that we ended up just cutting it straight off and then rounding it with sandpaper, and that passed. And then moving on over here, instead of repairing this entire piece of granite that would have cost me thousands and thousands of dollars, what I ended up doing is he punched a hole here, but what I ended up doing was I just, again, cut out the hole in a square. We put the new piece of little granite, put some Bondo, and then painted it so you couldn't tell. So when the inspector, the appraiser came to check it out, you can barely tell. There's a couple things like around the house that you'll be able to tell if you get really close to. But again, it's the attention to detail. It's just crazy memories of when I first, or when I used to live here. So that's pretty much it. That's the kitchen. This is kind of like the overall living space. And if I'm not mistaken, they either eat right there on the island or they actually eat up here. The really cool thing that I like about the guys and what they have going on here is we used to have a TV here, and they actually don't have a TV. So they actually don't have a TV downstairs. They each have TVs in the rooms, but at least when they're down here, it at least allows them to socialize a little bit more. One of the things that Jake does for us, Jake is one of the members and is also part of our team, is he runs the Techwood apparel part for our company. So we have the new scalp tees, which is the one that I'm wearing. I just didn't want to spend $30 or $40 when it came down to these specific t-shirts that were kind of like slim fit. They looked good, they feel good, and they were like a clean design, kind of like an all-purpose. So instead of buying them from all these different brands. What Jake and I ended up deciding to do is we decided to design our own, and we have them in 3 different colors. We have them in black, white, and gray, and then we have the button-up and then some jean jackets as well, and they all are stitched, so they're not actually printed on, they're actually embroidered. So let's go ahead, and the thing that I also do like about the guys is after we did a little rehab on this house, the guys now take off their shoes as they go upstairs. So this is Ismael. Ismael is one of the members that we have that are part of Technical Solutions that actually lives here. He's going to be showing us his room in just a little bit, and we got Jake back there. But if I'm not mistaken, this is Jake's setup, right? So this is his gaming setup. He has some crazy, pretty crazy things. I don't think he understands that you're supposed to put the mouse pad like
the keyboard.
Dang, this keyboard's heavy.
Yeah, that's why it's nice, bro. Quality.
Alright, so let's go ahead, and this used to be my old room. Now it's Michael's room, which is the master bedroom, and let's be honest, Michael actually has it looking a lot better than I do. So this is where all the magic used to happen. Let's be honest,
now it's
Michael
all my
lives here
magic.
now. This is not where any of the magic happens. So yeah, this is pretty much it. It looks much cleaner. I used to have my bed on this side. Mike has much more attention to detail than I do to put it at that. So moving on over here, this is the master bedroom. Yes, wow, you actually have it looking really good.
Why do you act surprised, brother?
Yeah, he must have knew that we were coming. So yeah, we got the dual sink, nothing special here. I don't say nothing. I mean, dual sink is, I think, as big as it
I
can.
never use that second sink.
All right, yeah, here's the shower, the porcelain throne, and then it has kind of like the little walk-in closet and stuff like that. So again, nothing too crazy. This is the master bedroom. This is where I used to live, and some of my videos were actually filmed in this area. I used to have a little desk that would allow me to go live. I used to have a whiteboard there. Maybe some of you guys might remember that, but it looks like Michael got rid of all that and put a mini fridge and some stuff to pop bottles. But yeah, let's go ahead and move on over to the hallway. Do not know what this bench is doing there. What's that?
That was in my room, and we're on our way moving into the garage. So it's there.
Temporarily.
Oh, okay. Let's actually explain this real quick. So you guys are gonna find this to be hilarious. So when it came down to remodeling this house, I actually had my dad, who was a general contractor, to come onto the house and kind of organize the whole thing. And we had a team of different contractors spend about a week kind of like refurnishing this house. And the day that this house was finished, Jake was gaming here.
He got a little mad.
He got a little mad. He leaned back on this chair. The chair fell, and he actually put a hole. And he thought that it would be very funny to pretend like there is a
Giant outlet.
Yeah, so let me know in the comment section what you guys think about that. Is that creative, or is that just...
Oh, creativity at its finest, man.
On this side, we have the laundry room. This used to be Phil's old room. Now it's Ishmael's. And then, wow, Jake's room looks so much better. This used to be Joel's room. Every room in this house now looks so much better. Holy smokes. Wow, okay. So let's go ahead and start in Jake's room. You explain.
We got the bed here. We got the closets with the little mirror. I don't know if you see that. Had to throw some designs for the plants up here. Gotta give us some lighting so they grow. TV, always gotta stay strapped. Little laptop, little workstation right here, printing labels for merchandise, you know? That's it, boys.
Yeah, look at the little day trader mouse pad.
Yeah, right there, boys. Let's go. On to Ish's room now.
Alright, so show us what you got going on here.
Bed, desk, TV, backpacks. That's about it.
I don't know why these guys act so camera shy when they're the biggest. But yeah, this used to be Phil's old room. Now it's Ishmael's, and Ishmael again has much more attention to detail. I think all of them. Honestly, I'm genuinely super surprised that Ishmael and how they designed their room. Michael's always had a pretty good style, but he's just kind of messy from time to time. And Jake, I saw that room before the cleaner came. That thing was rough. And now it looks honestly like one of the cleanest rooms here. So it looks better than any room that honestly we have at our house. I'm very, very impressed. But this is their porcelain throne. Not like you guys care, but yeah, this is the upstairs bathroom that both Ish and Jacob share. And again, nothing too crazy going on here. All right, guys, thank you guys again so much for watching. It's super cool to not only have shown you the house that I currently live in, but also the first house that I ever bought and still own. I really do appreciate you guys watching. I really hope that I earned your thumbs up. If you guys have any suggestions for any future videos or future tours, feel free to drop that down in the comment section. Don't forget to join our free investing group. We are the largest one on Facebook, and again, this is where it all started. So that's gonna be that first link down below. We have nearly 240,000 members within our free Tech Solutions group, and you're one link away to staying connected. Really do appreciate you guys' time, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.